Hi, this is Dr. Friedlander, and if you know me, you know I'm always on the lookout for new gadgets. And today I received all the way from South Korea via Kickstart Reco, a smart recorder. The smart recorder works in unison with a digital pen, in this case the Dymo pen and digital notebook. So everything that I write and record gets synchronized. Let's see what's in the box. This was part of a Kickstarter that took place during the month of July, and I just received it today. So let's see what's in the box. Well, I didn't realize how small it was going to be. This is the Reco Smart Recorder. And this gets charged with via USB. It also comes with a quick start guide, as well as with some stickers that I can use with my pen to control the recorder. So the way this works is you come into a classroom or a business meeting, you turn on the recorder, you turn on your pen, you write your notes, and then when you want to review your notes, you can simply tap your pen on the word or phrase in your digital notebook, and you can re-listen at that point in time when the person said what you wrote down. So I'm going to be exploring this and doing a review of this. So look for a review in the next week or two. I think this could be an great adjunct for students that need assistance with note taking. You can see how small this is, which makes it ideal for student use, especially high school or college students. So tune into my Instagram feed and look for a review in the next week. Thanks for spending some time with me.